when the police shove the boy outside, give people.
Say, man, the police are just bossy.
Yeah, they must have to shoot him.
When the police, me I talk about when the police shove out the boy, haul out the boy, give the people them outside. Don't never see it.
Yeah, me see it, Lava. Yeah.
Okay.
I as I said, guys, I am no way like disputing what you guys are saying about the guy that get unalive. I am not disputing it, but for me, and as I said, I've been listening to the lives them, and I've been listening, and I just don't like how it sound and look, and I will defend the little girl with every bone in my body, but I would like a DNA swab.
To the media, that's the problem. Too much uneducated people is speaking to the media. Them just need to shut up. That's the problem.
So Tiger, back to when me I said no. When me I said about the sex offender. You see when time certain situation like that happen, them DNA done in the system from them past offense. So now when time something like this happen, just run it quick and fast and find out whether Jamaica need a system. Too much kids are getting. Jamaica need a system where they're gonna track these pedophiles.
And this is what I am saying, because here this now, right? There's too much gap in this thing here for me. Because watch it now. The lady who owned the shop, right? And these are just speculation and what people said. And if what they're saying is true, she is also, she needs to go in on the sweatbox as well. Because
Why? Me not understand how
if she knows that her nephew is an old perv and is there, as what the people them say, and then the baby girl coming at the shop in a one traumatical way, and you know so the boy there, you have to find out, okay, how you gonna get who you come to shop with.
You see, that's what I can't understand. Cause as you say, people are say them here say the shopkeeper say she said the girl and she look this whatever. And I was unforgettable.
Yeah,
Can you go and watch her
there.
recording?
I watched when she was the protest video when she said
no, look now, there's one there that she's talking, right? She had chat. Right? Check the videos them they out, okay? Before you say this or before you say
that's why
that.
I'm saying too, them uneducated. So each time another camera catch them story change because I listened to her yesterday.
They're uneducated. They're not uneducated. They are a bunch of liars.
And she said, listen, in one of the videos, she said, I don't watch the video when she said the little girl looked troubled, right? I watch a screen record. I really don't want to follow it up. I watch a screen record when she said, when she came to the shop, it was a guy drop him off and him called the guy name. And
Barry. The guy named Barry.
Whatever. Him same server and him tell her.
You sound like you come for defend somebody again to you know, because you don't live in Jamaica.
No, she just don't want to call him.
Listen what me I say now. I don't want to go call him. But the community me come from.
Alright, stop talk. You stop talk. You stop talk, then have an unforgettable lava leave in the box beside you. So the shopkeeper said the man a drop her at the shop named Barry in the video. So you talk, me then hear my voice.
Yeah. So me I say a two different story, cause she say in a one she say she serve her right and at Barry drop her off or whosoever. She serve her and she tell her say fi take time go on home good and she left and go bed. Then in a one different video is a different story. Now she look troubled.
But she know that the boy was at the shop, right? She know that the boy was at the shop, right? And you know, say, what the boy do in the area all along, right? And you never watch the little picnic or call the grandma and say, look here, send somebody come meet the little girl, because you know, so the boy they up here at the shop, me not really want to follow her, come home and trouble her.
True, Lava. True.
I need to, because me say the little girl have to pass in yard. Them have to pass in yard.
Matters not
Miss Lava.
the passing yard, girl. Let me tell you what me I say. The shopkeeper know the boy was on the spot. The little girl was in the same shop, right? Take up your phone, call the grandma and tell the grandma, say, look here, when you send somebody come meet the little girl, no, because she not go come down now. If somebody not the home for come for her yet, me not go let her out of the shop.
And
She go sit and wait until you no send for her, because the boy they up here and look on the long bush where she have to go walk through. Me not go send her out for nothing happen to her. The whole of them in the community, all the shopkeeper, all she are wicked.
Because them comfortable with him, you know. The fear by card funny man can't take him out of yard and say, oh, what my ground for me, weed up me yard. You all of them comfortable with him in there.
Wanna hear me?
Yeah.
When me I still me I wonder if this girl, because I know most first him a try after this little girl. He must do it millions of times, and the girls probably say it to somebody and they just put it under a rug and just forget about it.
And that with Jamaican parents. Me can't you be a child, it come like nothing what you say. Your opinion doesn't matter. You will go through depression in your own house, and as a Jamaican parent, me Jamaican parents don't acknowledge that a child
Not
can go
all
through.
of them, baby. Not all of them.
That's
Not
the
all.
point. So that's why I say the child, the community fail the child, and the child own a parents fail him. Because most of the time, you see, sometimes things happen to our daughter or our son, and a stranger know before because them come to we first, and what we do, we push them away. Most of them that's like things cannot go on in their life, and we are the last person to know as them parents. That's like so much of them go and commit suicide. Because who them are looking to run to protect them, and we them and push them away.
I don't know, I don't know still, guys. Obviously, we all have our opinion to this tragedy, but as I said, people gonna agree with me and people gonna disagree with me. There's a lot of things I am not buying. Even when the father, I gotta say, him I go want this boy if not troubling daughter. Let me tell you something, man. I dirt to some people. So me not understand like I want to get it don't go fence go broken in the ground. Me not understand. Like this community need a serious looking into. It is a serious looking into.
So Shani, I have a question for you. So the him unalive, the father unalive. You say more brother already till there. So the community still gonna make them that never talk to you then?
It's up to them, you know. I comfortable with them and to them not trouble nobody. Them comfortable with them. But as me say, me not think them the family of them right in their head. And if you see him brother gone and daddy gone, me kinda afraid to say the way too. Me still afraid. Cause of him start the whole thing that him brother could have say like this. Me still afraid him me and I do nothing. Me, to be honest, me not even know.
So what you afraid for unforgettable? What you afraid for?
What you mean, why am I afraid?
You never get the part good, me ask me you say you're still afraid.
If me say the thing start from the home, right? And the person who did it first, him brother could have executed all these years. He's still there.
The one who did first?
Yeah, him still live there.
No, love, I'm ask her, say like, oh, the predator dead, the father unalive. If the rest of brother them was still there, if the community still gonna allow them to stay there, that's what I ask her.
It's only one brother. I told her that the first brother who got molested, he leave the community because he was ashamed and people keep Like if him,
Who molested the first brother? Who molested
the
the
one
first
was
brother?
still dead now.
So the whole of them a pay fish, a one house of fish.
That's what I've been saying. Say it start from the home. The guy who been unalive, it started from
Yes,
his brother.
Tiger.
So this is what me say. Me not understand what these people I say. Me not understand all of them allegations because all of the other people who live in our community when they start poisoning water, nobody. So when they poison water, what people do? Because when they poison water, I know one person poison. So what happened?
Alright, listen. And that me I tell you, so you see now them will come and chat and be a liar. Go tell them some of them need to lock them out. I want water the guy.